Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to log in to First Home Mortgage account online. To log in and access your mortgage account for First Home, you will need to first open a preferred web browser. Once you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in firsthome.yourmortgageonline.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will now end up in the sign-in page for First Home Mortgage. Simply enter your username in the text box appearing on the right-hand side. Once you do that, go to the next field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your username or your password, click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen instructions till the end. After filling in both of your credentials, click on Login, and you will then be able to log into your First Home Mortgage account online. So that's how easily you can log into your First Home Mortgage account online. You can now manage your account, view your statements, make your payments, and much more. That's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.